If we're keeping pigs indoor for rearing, we need to be sure that we're attending to the welfare of the pigs. And that means we need a building that's well constructed, a good pen layout, good flooring, preferably concrete, laid with grip. We need good pen divisions that are easily worked, easily opened, not easily lifted off their hinges. Pigs are great at that, they have such powerful snouts. We need a light and airy building. Ventilation is crucial. A lot of pigs actually suffer from poor ventilation and are then prone to respiratory disease. We need naturally ventilated buildings that provide plenty of airflow. Indoor pigs need adequate space, and there are stocking rate requirements depending on the size of the pig and the pen. So the number of pigs in this pen has to be up to bacon weight, half a square metre per pig. As the pigs are smaller, less requirement for space and an increased number of pigs can be in the pen. Clearly, when we're talking about needs of the pig, high on the list comes feed. In this particular arrangement, we've got ad-lib hoppers, so there's always feed available, and that promotes really good growth. If we haven't got ad-lib hoppers, or we're not using an ad-lib method, you need troughs that you can actually put food in twice a day. And then without water, the pigs will not eat. So we need readily accessible water. We need nipples or bowls at the right height for that stage of pig. So the water is fundamental. We must provide comfort for the pigs. That usually means bedding and draft-free, so the pigs will opt to come to lie together. And adequate room in that bed for the number of pigs in the pen is crucial, and then a different toilet area. That bedding is potentially a source of infection, so we need to clean all that bedding out. When it comes to the end of that group, it needs to be able to be taken away completely. If there's a considerable amount of manure, we need to be able to get that out and piled and stored and kept appropriately. We need a hygienic building. We need one that can be all in and all out and then clean before a new lot of pigs come into that hygienically prepared pen.